A volcano is a hole in the earth. A volcano is also the land around the hole. Volcanoes have many shapes. Some volcanoes look like tall, steep mountains. Some volcanoes look like big, low hills. Some volcanoes rise up from the ocean floor. A volcano that rises above the surface of the water is called an island. The hole in a volcano goes down deep inside the earth. Hot melted rock called magma falls deep inside the earth. Gas inside the earth can mix with the magma and build pressure. This pressure can push magma up toward the surface. A volcano may rumble and smoke when pressure builds underneath it. The pressure builds and builds. Finally, magma comes to the surface in an eruption. Different volcanoes have different kinds of eruptions. These eruptions is a big cloud of smoke and ash. The wind blows the smoke and ash a long way. The ash falls back to the ground like snow. A big eruption blasts the hole open even wider. The top of the hole is called a crater. This eruption is a fountain of fire. Magma that comes out of the volcano is called lava. This lava explodes into the air. This lava flows slowly on the ground. Lava can crush or burn everything into its path. Some volcanoes are extinct. Extinct volcanoes will not erupt again. Some volcanoes are dormant. A dormant volcano can lie quietly for a long time. Then suddenly it can erupt. Some volcanoes are active. An active volcano will probably erupt again. Scientists try to predict when a volcano will erupt. They want to warn people to get far out of the way. And that's the end of Volcanoes, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification, and I will see you next time. Bye.